Well, okay, welcome to week 5 of Internet W233. It's hard to believe that this is where we are already. I've spent the morning looking over your topic papers, and for the most part, I'm quite pleased. I'd say that 80% of you have well-focused papers pretty much already, okay? The other 20% don't quite have a focus, you don't quite understand what you want to write about, but you're on the right track, okay? And that's what we're going to do the next 3 weeks, is we're going to concentrate on this idea of focus. The point being that doing a small job very well is much, much better than doing this big, large job not very well at all. Okay, and 10 pages for the research paper is not a lot of pages. If you want to go to 12 pages, that's fine. Anything more than that, I'm afraid you're losing the idea of focus and you'll just be rambling. So the key is to get a nice, tight focus. And as I said, many of you are almost there, okay? And those of you who are not, don't panic. We're going to get there. All of us are going to get there together in the next 3 weeks. If you're already focused, you're going to get slightly tighter focus or better understanding focus. If you're not focused yet, you're going to find that. And so towards that end, we're going to spend 3 weeks on different kinds of exercises and readings about finding the focus. I think you'll enjoy this. It's critical that you look at my comments on your topic paper. There weren't a lot of hundreds for a variety of reasons, and I made comments, told you what those were, okay? And one of the goals I had with the topic papers, and when I get to your journals at the end of the week, I won't be grading those till the end of the week because I have 3 other sections of papers I have to grade for W131. I'll be looking more in depth at your writing skills. Okay, I'm trying to get an idea now of how well you're writing, plus how well you're making progress on your getting a good topic and a focused topic for your research paper. So I have 2 goals in mind. So please view my comments already on your focus on your topic paper. It's critical that you understand what I'm thinking about your topic, what I'm thinking about your writing right now, and I'll give you more comments on your writing when I look at your journal at the end of the week. Make sure you look at the readings for this section, this unit. They're very, very important. I don't just give you busy work, okay? I have real goals, real learning objectives for you in each of these units, and the readings are part of that, critical. Make sure you look at the lecture on an overview of Helmke Library databases. Make sure you look at the lecture on using JSTOR. JSTOR is a wonderful academic database, very easy to use, very easy to read. All the documents are full text. They're all as PDF files, which make them very, very easy to cite. Okay, it's a great database for anybody in doing anything political science or anything with social history, that kind of a thing. Of course, you use EBSCOhost. Make sure you look at that. And then I walk you through a couple things on finding your focus, how to arrive at your focus. Then you have a neat focus quiz. You'll enjoy the quiz. It's not graded, but please, please, please take it. Okay, please go through your learning module very carefully. I can tell a couple of you didn't do such a good job of going through the learning module last time because I got a lot of incorrectly formatted papers, which really surprised me because it's covered in the syllabus and covered in the learning module for Unit 1. So make sure you're paying attention to the table of contents in your learning module. This is not rocket science. This course is very well laid out. It meets all the quality matter standards for national internet courses. It's well designed. It's designed with the help of CELT on campus at IPFW. And so if you're missing things, it's because you're not paying attention. Follow the learning module. Use the menu on the left-hand side of the learning module. It's called a table of contents, okay? And click on every link and you'll be fine. So you have 2 major assignments in addition to the journal discussions. Excuse me. You have quite a few discussions. They're basically fun. They're basically about critical thinking, and they also help you work on your focus, okay? Some of the discussions actually this time cause you to do the work, cause you to do the research, cause you to get to focus, cause you to actually start your bibliography. So that said, there are 2 major writing assignments. You have a journal. Again, this will be your last journal. You have what's called the Unit 2 journal, very, very important paper that you need to turn in at the end of the 3 weeks, all right? And then you have what's called a focus discovery paper. It's not very long. Let's see how long it is. Focus discovery paper. I hope I say how long it is. Learning module, what attached to it properly formatted. I'll assess this. Writing criteria. I'll check the link. Oh well, you'll find it. You'll find the material on the focus discovery paper. And if I don't find it there, I will email it to you. Oh, here it is. Answered in 1 to 2 pages. So it's not very long. Okay. It's not very long, 1 to 2 pages. And when I say 1 to 2 pages, I would really prefer 2 pages, okay? I really want to see your writing. This is a writing class, and one of the ways you become better writers, of course, is to write more. So I really cause you to try to write as much as possible. So I say 1 to 2 pages. Those of you who want to impress me, get as close to 2 pages as you can. Okay, so it's 2 major writing assignments, a journal again, and then a focused discovery paper. Now, something key for this unit that I want to talk about for a second before I ramble on too long is that item 4 in the table of contents is called Ask the Librarian. And this is your extra credit feature, and you can start using this feature right now. Anything you put in there, it's a discussion forum. Anything you put in there will be read by the librarian. And you can ask her questions. Ask her questions such as, what database should I use? What should be some of my search terms? How do I get to a better focus? That kind of thing. You can't ask her to do the research for you, but she will help you create a research path. She will do that. And you get extra credit for every post that you make. You can post to the librarian or you can post to each other. All right, and you should actually post back to the librarian. When she sends you something, make sure you respond to her because I count the posts, okay? So the more posts, the more extra credit, that kind of thing. So as usual, if you have any questions, mail me through Blackboard, please. I've graded your topic papers. Make sure you look at the comments. I'll grade your journals by the end of the week, by Friday. Make sure you please look at those comments.